How's it going, guys? It's been a while since I've talked about all of my 3D printers, so I just figured that I wanted to make a video about just kind of real briefly what each one is, what it's called, and I don't even know if we'll go into the pros and cons of it, but anyway, so I have 5 functional 3D printers right here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 back there, 5, and then this is another one that I'm working on currently. I'll talk about that in just a second. So this first one is the ANYCUBIC Chiron, which I got on Amazon. It was about 600 bucks. It's my most expensive 3D printer. It's also the largest. It's really nice that, here I'll just show, I guess, my hand next to the print bed area. I'm almost touching it. But it's 40 let's see. I'm sorry, no, it's 40 centimeters squared. So it is, yeah, 40 millimeters would be really small. So it's 40 centimeters on each side, and then it has a vertical build volume of, I think, 60 centimeters. I can't quite remember, but it's higher up than it is wide. So this is the Chiron. I really like it for huge prints. I printed an LDS temple for my wife for Christmas a few days ago. I'll show you about that a little bit later, but that was really cool. It took it, well, I had it printing really slow, but it took it like 4 days to do the whole thing. So I like that one for a huge build volume and being able to do just really big prints. This one is the main one. It was my first 3D printer. I assembled it pretty much from scratch. I got a kit it had nothing put together, and so it was from scratch, but I bought the kit. This is the Anet A8. It's really more of a knockoff of it. I also got this on Amazon because this is made from like some kind of balsa wood. It's almost like cardboard, more than what's it called? I think it's plexiglass, the frame that comes with the original Anet A8. It's also known as the Tronxy or Tron XY. I can't remember. I mean, I don't know how to pronounce that, but that's just some other knockoff of it. And this one has been a real workhorse for me. I've had to fix it a whole bunch of times, and I've put it through a lot. This is the Monoprice Select Mini Pro, this silver one. This one has Wi-Fi, and I really like it just because it was the cheapest one I could find with Wi-Fi support. Of course, they don't make these anymore. They discontinued them, I think, this year in 2020, which is kind of a bummer. They do have some better ones, though, and this definitely does have its design flaws as well, which I'll go into in about a different video. But then over here, this one just finished a print. It's a lid for a container for an Arduino, let's see, an Arduino Pro Micro case. And yeah, so this is the Kingroon KP3. I think they also discontinued these as well. I got it earlier this year, and this has also done a lot of work for me. I've had to fix it a few times, but it works beautifully. I have a lot of praise to say about that, and they do have a better, or at least an updated version, which I haven't tried out yet. And then this back here, which isn't plugged in, is my XYZ printing Vinci Mini Wi-Fi. And so this has also had its own issues. I kind of like it. It's nice that it has a really easy to use interface, program on the computer, but I don't like that they force it to only use their branded filament. But I figured out a way around that with some help from the internet. So I actually just stick a little RFID tag on the side of the printer where it has the sensor, and that way I can trick it into using any kind of filament that I want it to. So I can go into detail about that in a different video too. It's just a little bit of a hassle, so I don't do it much, but if you have one of these, I'd be happy to make a video talking about how to do that. And then this is just well, it's an attempt at a 3D printed 3D printer, which I got the plans from Thingiverse for this, and I had to edit some of these files myself because it wasn't fitting together very well. But yeah, that's just a real quick rundown. This video is already a little bit longer than I wanted to do, so anyway, I just wanted to, I guess, run through those with you real quick. And as I say in like all of my videos, I apologize that I haven't been uploading lately, but today is December 31st, 2020, and I want to wish you all a happy new year. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I'm going to really try to up my game with YouTube videos this next year in 2021. And I've got some really cool ideas of stuff that I want to make videos about. So make sure you smash that subscribe button. And thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.